Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 8, Percentage, Exercise 8B, Question number 9, Basic Level. Question number 9. If 10% is deducted from a bill, $58.50 remains to be paid. How much is the original bill? First, write the given condition in equation form, that is 90% of bill equals to $58.50. We have written 90% instead of 10% because the initial bill before deduction was 100%, that is decreased by 10% and became 90% after deduction. Now we will find 1% of bill by using this percentage, so divide whole equation by 90. So we have 1% of bill equals to 58.50 upon 90. Now we have 1% of the bill that is 58.50 upon 90, so in order to calculate the 100% of the bill we have to multiply both sides by 100. After multiplying we have 100% of bill equals to 5,850 upon 90. If there are zeros at the end of numbers in fraction, then we can cancel equal number of zeros from numerator and denominator as shown. Now simplify the fraction as shown in steps. After simplification we have 65, therefore, the original bill amount was $65. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below, also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.